Make your own Chipotle bowl with your girl. Let go. I said let's go, but I really don't know where to start. So let's start with all the ingredients. And don't talk about my cans. My favorite type of rice to use. So I didn't do fresh beans and salsa, but I am going to do spinach. I'm going to cut up my bell pepper and onion. I know I'm not using the right knife, nor do I know how to properly cut an onion. So I'm only going to show y'all this part. Skip. I'm not crying. You're crying. Onions get me all the time. That's why I buy them already diced. Who got the secret? Got my veggies all cut. I also want to add that I am using spinach versus lettuce just because of the nutritional value that it provides. Got my vegetables ready to cook with a little olive oil at the bottom of the pan. My water is boiling, getting ready to add the rice. Let's go. So now I just want to show you guys an overhead shot of the food all being cooked. I'm just making it look like I'm doing something. Stir, stir, turn, turn. Yeah, yeah. Food is almost done. I love how simple this meal is. I have my spinach to the side. We're almost there. Time to bowl it. Going to add a little more rice than that. Add some parsley. Now my beans. Veggie time. Rotel for the sauce. Can't forget about my spinach. And there we have it. When I go to Chipotle, I normally just get a veggie bowl. So that made it easier as far as not having to cook any meat. But this was my healthy version. Definitely with a lot less sodium. Subscribe and like. You know what to do.